Let's see and learn about the trigraph air. Letter A makes the sound A. Letter I makes the sound E. And letter R makes the sound R. These three letters join together and makes the sound air. Let's see some words with air sound. Let's start. Air, craft, aircraft, aircraft. Air, pear, pear. Air, lair, lair. Air, ship, airship, airship. Air, chair, chair. Air, hair, hair. Air, port, airport, airport. Air, fair, fair. Air, stairs, stairs. Air, air. Air, ferry, ferry. Air, repair, repair. Air, diary, diary. Air, eclair, eclair.
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.